comes a time when we hear a certain call, when the world...
Hello my friends! Today we're going to cook a recipe for peas. For that we need some ingredients. The first one is 2 cups of love. Let's put it inside the pot.
We can go on.
Well done, thank you. Sit down. Also we need 1 cup of kisses. Like a big one. Mwah. Inside. I'm gonna mix it. Next ingredient is ½ cup of red chili.
And the truth, you know love is all we need.
And mix it. Mix it. A lot. Thank you. 1 spoon of family. I got here the grandpa, grandma, daddy, mommy, and the baby. All together and mix it again.
Just you and me.
Next one. 1 spoon of hearts.
Send them your
Come on,
heart,
friends, come here.
so they know that someone cares.
Oh, mix it.
We'll be stronger and free.
And a big hug together. Oh. And the last one, and really important as well, ½ teaspoon of sherry.
We are the world. We are the children.
Very good. And now put it inside the pot. Well done. Mix it all together.
Choice we're making. We're saving our own lives.
Well done, my friends. Now I need to mix them all. And finally we got our recipe for peas.